Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use max mushrooms in Pokémon Sword. Max mushrooms are a unique item found on the Isle of Armor, essential for unlocking a special power. These rare fungi allow specific Pokémon to achieve their Gigantamax form, a powerful transformation during battles. You'll need to gather these mushrooms to prepare a special dish that grants this incredible ability to your chosen partners. To find max mushrooms, you'll need to explore the Isle of Armor thoroughly. These valuable items tend to appear in different spots after you've successfully completed 3 max raid battles. Keep an eye out in areas like the Forest of Focus or the warm-up tunnel. Remember, you can usually collect up to 3 mushrooms before needing to complete more raids for them to reappear. Once you have gathered your max mushrooms, head to the Master Dojo and speak with the chef. He will prepare a special max soup for your Pokémon. You'll need exactly 3 max mushrooms to create 1 serving of this potent soup. Simply feed the max soup to any compatible Pokémon, and it will gain the incredible ability to Gigantamax in battle. It's important to remember that not every Pokémon can Gigantamax, even with max soup. Only specific species have this potential. Also, some Pokémon caught in max raid battles might already possess the Gigantamax factor, indicated by a special symbol in their summary. Max soup cannot be used on these Pokémon, so always double-check before preparing your delicious dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.